Look, it's hard to earn enough money online. Heck, it's even harder to find a job online, especially nowadays there is a saturated market and a low competition. But with my help, there is actually a way for you to earn money in the easiest and fastest way possible. This way I'm about to show you today is totally free and you don't need to pay anything or invest anything. There is no need to whip out your wallet to pay for extra or unnecessary charges. And another good news is that this strategy is available for everybody, no matter where you are in the world today. You will earn money every 30 minutes with a little bit of determination and drive, and I guarantee you will be profiting in no time. All you have to do is watch this video until the end and pay close attention to everything I say. I want you to be able to do it without a hitch and avoid mistakes that most people do along the way. Remember, we are not most people. We aim for greatness and of course a fat wallet and a bank account. But before we dive into the video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to know how to make money online the easiest way possible. So smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment below. So with that said, let me take you to the computer and get started with today's strategy. So in today's strategy, the first website which I would like you to come to is called Skillshare.com, and Skillshare.com is a great website which is gonna give you the option to start making money from today. And there are different ways on how you can actually earn money with Skillshare, which I will show you. But Skillshare, in case that you don't know, is a place where you can publish different classes, and don't worry, you don't even have to show your face in order to start making money. I will show you how you can do it step by step and how you can make videos without having to show your face. So once that you come to the website, you will come all the way down to the bottom and then you will click on become a teacher over here, and then that's how you will be able to become a teacher and start uploading classes and start getting paid for it. But I want to show you because there are so many different categories over here, including graphic design, film and video, fine art, illustration, social media, marketing, and so on. But you don't have to just limit yourself to this. Like for example, if I go to graphic design, if you go any skills on graphic design, you could start teaching right away. However, with that said, if you got any other skills that you have, just think that you could actually start implementing them and creating classes. The only thing you need to just do is the skill that you do, whatever you know how to do, is just record yourself whilst you do it. And there are different ways that you can earn on Skillshare. So once that you click on become a teacher, it will show up this website, the website that will appear, and it will tell you that they will reward you. And there are students that make more than $100,000 per year. So it's a great place for different students to come and start uploading classes. So you can start by taking a challenge, but this is how it will work. You just create your first class, you will need to grow your following, and then you start earning. So the most important thing is that you create your classes and you start uploading them to the platform, because once that you do this, like, people are gonna start watching your classes, and then that's a way that you're gonna start building your audience. Once that your audience is large enough, then the whole game will change, because then you will get paid for the different views that you receive, which is actually great, and as well you will be able to upload different. So once that you upload your classes as well, you're gonna be able to refer a friend. And let me show you, because for every referral you're gonna get $10. You'll be able to get $10 for every referral. So you can see, once that you come to refer a friend, it will tell you that you will actually earn money for every referral. So it's about $7 to $10 that you will get for a referral, which is actually a great income as well on the side. So first, focus on creating your classes, uploading them, growing your following, and once that you have your following, you can start getting money from that, and as well refer friends to the platform, and then they will pay you between $7 to $10 for every referral. So if you don't want to show your face, let me show you how you could go about doing this. You could go to a different website which is called Render Forest, and Render Forest is a website that it will help you to just create your videos, and it will include everything from different designs and different video templates that you can start using, including like whiteboards. Okay, so you could come and you can start with a free plan as well, so you can create your video just by clicking create video, and these are all the different templates that you can start using. You can as well select your own music and select everything that you want to be on the different whiteboards. So this is actually a great way to do it if you don't want to show your face. Other way is just use it like a screen recorder like OBS or Camtasia in order to just record each lesson. Okay, so with that said, this is a great way in order for you to start making money. So great opportunity. I really encourage you to come become a teacher, start uploading your classes in whatever subject you like, and then just come to Rainforest and start creating your videos. Once that you click in any video, then you will see you have the option to create now. Once that you have created this, you're gonna be able to create your scene, and then you'll click on create, and then these are the different points that will appear, and then you will be able to select each of them, and then once that you select it, you will be able to upload them and have them in a sequence, you know. So for example, this could be the first one, this could be the second one, this could be the third one, and so on. Once that you click on insert, all the videos will display here, and as well it will give you the option to upload music. As you can see here, different colors and different style. So it's a great way for you to get started in the platform. It's something that you can create within 1 or 2 days and start earning money and start earning revenue on this platform. So it's a great way for you to do it. And as well, the referral program, you could just come here and start referring. You know, you will get $7 to $10 for each referral, as I say. So this is what I wanted to say with you guys for today's strategy. I hope that you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, just give me a like, because that will really help me and the channel to be able to keep growing it and keep bringing you latest strategies on digital marketing. And additionally, if you want to find out ways on how you can make thousands of dollars per month, just click on the first link in the description, because I will send you all the information to your email address. You know, I will send you all the information to your email address, so you can start with your own online business right now, with your own affiliate marketing business and earning high ticket commission. So with that said, I hope that you take massive action. Very important. I hope that you are very successful, and I hope that you can make loads of money and be very rich, you know. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and I will come very soon with more content and more strategies on how to become an digital marketing and affiliate entrepreneur making thousands of dollars per month. So take care now, guys.